Hi, I'm Josh Doyle with Compass. Welcome to 138 East 65th Street in the heart of the Upper East Side. I'm really excited to show you this extraordinary, one-of-a-kind property. This is a 20-foot wide colonial revival townhome that has been meticulously rebuilt over a 3-year period. This home, originally built in 1871, sits on this storied block on 65th Street where David Rockefeller once called it home. One would be challenged to find a home with such exquisite detail and meticulous design. Let's take a look inside. The arrival to the home begins by passing through a double-doored entry foyer into this generously sized sitting room. This room features a cozy windowed banquette and is accented by a unique peacock feathered wallpaper by F. Schumacher. But this is just the beginning of the garden level. Let's go check out the back. This custom eating kitchen is simply stunning. This kitchen, designed by Smallbone of Devices, features Calcutta marble countertops and custom walnut cabinetry, and Bellarita marble floors laid in a herringbone pattern. And I just love this floor-to-ceiling sliding door. It not only brings in natural sunlight, but allows for seamless indoor and outdoor entertaining. Here we are in the living room of the parlor floor. This space is perfect for entertaining. This is a grand scale room with nearly 11-foot ceilings, a huge limestone wood-burning fireplace, and a pair of steel casement-style French doors that offer garden views and a terrace that runs the width of the house. Starting with the wet bar and extending into the library, the walls are adorned in leather wallpaper by Ralph Lauren. I just love this library. It's the perfect place to catch up on a book or have a cocktail with friends. But we have so much more to see. Let's head up to the next level. I'm standing here on the 3rd floor, which is dedicated entirely to the primary suite. This large bedroom features a trio of Juliet balconies that overlook the garden. A 5-fixture marble bathroom with steam shower connects to a chic dressing room with a gas fireplace encased in a limestone mantel. This beautifully lit dressing room is complete with custom built-in closets that wrap the room, and there's ample space for a chaise lounge to relax by the bay window. But believe it or not, there's still so much more to show you. Ascending to the 4th floor, there are 3 additional bedrooms. But up here, we're in the skylit media room of the top floor. This bright and airy level features its own small kitchen, 2 additional bathrooms, and its own private terrace. But now, for one of the best features of this home, let's head outside. Access to a private, lushly planted garden such as this is one of the primary reasons you'll want to live here. This garden features an outdoor kitchen with gas grill, custom fire pit, and a generous seating area underneath mature sycamore trees. And it's also the perfect place to end our tour. Thank you so much for joining me.
Did you like what you see? Hit the subscribe button. I'm not sure where it is, but hit it and follow us on Open House TV.